Skyroot Aerospace Private Limited is an Indian private aerospace manufacturer and commercial launch services provided headquarters in Hyderabad, Telangana. The company was formed by former engineers and scientists from ISRO. It aims to develop and launch its own service of small lift launch vehicles, especially crafted for small satellites market. Skyroot Aerospace was formed in July 2018 by former ISRO scientists Pavan Kumar Chandana and Nagabharata Dhaka. Through the support of Vasudevan, Skyroot Aerospace was formed in 2018 July by former ISRO scientist Pavan Kumar Chandana, Nagabharata Dhaka, through the support of Vasudeva Gananandi, as well as small group of entrepreneurs including CureFit founder Mukesh Bansal and Ankit Nagor. Skyroot has initially raised $4.3 million, including from a space and defense contractor Solar Industries. The company has been developed its first launch vehicle, the Vikram 1, which is on track for its initial launch around 2022 end. On 6th October 2020, the National Startup Award 2020 was declared by the Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal, where Skyroot Aerospace emerged as the winner. The National Startup Award are given to recognize of startups across several categories that offer novel solutions for complex problems in the country and creating business that are scalable and sustainable. On 20 November 2020, Skyroot Aerospace entered into a memorandum of understanding with Dhruva Space and Indian private satellite manufacturer. On 20 May 2021, Skyroot Aerospace has raised $11 million in Series A fund round led by promoters of renewable energy firm Greenco Group, with the participation of innovators including Solar Industries and former WhatsApp Chief Business Office Neeraj Arora, Mukesh Bansal, founder of Mintra and CureFit, World Quate Venture, Graph Venture, Saturn Capital, Vedanshu Investments, and few other angles. Skyroot Aerospace will be developing these funds to grow its team and complete its full development and testing of all subsystems of Vikram 1. Skyroot has also started booking for launches starting at end of 2022 and are actively engaging global customers at Stobak rocket engine Raman 1. In August 2020, Skyroot first came into the limelight when it tested first Raman hyperglobic fuel upper stage engine. This liquid fuel upper stage is component of Vikram 1 and Skyroot was the first Indian private entity to test such an engine. Solid rocket motor on 22 October 2020. Skyroot tested the solid fuel rocket engine Kalam 5, the first of 5 planned carbon components Kalam rocket motors which are expected to power its launch vehicles. The test happened in Nagpur at a private test facility owned by Solar Industries, which is also an investor in Skyroot. In the name of Kalam 5, the 5 references to peak sea level thrust of 5.3 kN. The final engine in the series will be 4 times of the size of Kalam 5, Kalam 100, Kalam 100, Kalam 5. On 2022 of May 19, Skyroot announced the success of completion of a full duration testing firing of Vikram 1 rocket stage, representing a major milestone for the company named Kalam 100 after former president and the renowned Indian rocket scientist APJ Abdul Kalam. The third stage of Vikram 1 produces a peak vacuum thrust of 100 kN and has a burn time of 108 seconds. The rocket stage has been built with a high strength carbon fiber structure, solid fuel, novel thermal protect system, and carbon ablative nozzle. This testing helps Skyroot in development of orbital vehicles Vikram 1 and gives great confidence for the other rocket stage planned to the test soon. This is largest rocket stage ever designed, manufactured and tested completely in the private sector. There was a good match of testing results with the design predictors in the very first attempt, which is a testimony to team's capability. The state of the air technology like carbon component causes high propellant volumetric loading up to 94% lighter EPDM based thermal protection system and scrambled nozzles have been validated through the success of static test. On 25th September 2020, Skyroot Aerospace unveiled the Dhawan 1 upper stage cryogenic generic engine that will power heavier lift systems such as Vikram 2. This is the first cryogenic engine in India that will use liquefied gas LNG as a fuel. The fuel has advantages of being clean, renewable, and suited for long duration space mission. Dhawan 1 is a 3D printed and designed with regenerative cooling configuration. Skyroot successfully test-fired Indian first privately developed small cryogenic engine called Dhawan 1, running on liquefied natural gas and liquefied oxygen with the pressure-fed engine cycle on 25th November 2021. It was a technology demonstrative experiment for the upper stage of Vikram 2 rocket that is under active development. Solar Industries provide the small sites, the engine made by 3D prints process, and also super alloys. Sky Aerospace has been working on its Vikram series of expandable small lifted launches are designed for very quick assembles. They also have plans to develop a fully reusable vehicles on November 18. Skyroot Aerospace successfully completed the first launch of private development rocket for Indian soil.